it is my view, if we wish to stay a first world nation, the whole nation's got to go to a new level in education.
Iwi has a responsibility, not just in tertiary, but in early childhood, right through to our kaumātua.
When we were young, you needed school certificate to get a job. Nowadays, school certificate, or whatever they call it, doesn't mean a damn thing.
I work for Potiki Waiora, so it's a kaupapa Māori health and social service provider, and I'm based out of our Greymouth office, but we have offices across Hokitika, Greymouth and also Westport. I've used Whai Rawa for my student loan, so I used what I had saved to contribute to paying off my loan. Signing up and getting a loan is pretty scary when you're young and you're signing the dotted line with this huge lump sum, and if you know that you've got some sort of money put away to be able to put towards it, then it does give you, it makes study more accessible.
You know, research tells us that the well-being of whānau, there's a better outcome on their well-being, their lifestyles, their home, their home ownership, their assets, their wealth and their health through education.
If you start saving for your tertiary education when you're a small child, the conversations are different. There's an expectation that you will go on because your family are saving for you, but because they've built in that expectation. And that's fantastic. You can't beat that.
Throughout my Bachelor of Social Work, I was always interested in the kaupapa Māori framework and way of working. Obviously here at Potiki Waiora we work from the model of whānau order. It's a really holistic service. We have social workers, counsellors, whānau order nurses, kaiarataki, which are health navigators. We provide that holistic wraparound service. I think Whai Rawa is a really, really good method of saving because it's not like a savings account. You can't just withdraw it when you think you might need it. It has to be for a specific purpose.
An impact we can make in one whānau's life in Ngāi Tahu, an impact on their tertiary study, an impact on their housing, their home ownership, or on their retirement, for me is an amazing, successful outcome.